Hello people, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kenyan. Hey, someone is. Hello everyone, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Unijax Nyarminawala. To my subscribers, I want to say thank you so much, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and also share my videos so that we can our family can grow big. Today I'm in this kitchen here. I want to cook pilau. I've got my meat here. This is my meat. So I've got my meat here, red meat. Yeah, this is red meat. This is what I want to cook. So I want to boil it first. After boiling is when I'll start making my pilau. Otherwise, karibuni sana na tupike. And today I'm with my niece. I'm with my niece. I call her Joanita. Joanita, say hi.
Hi people, my name is Joan. Kindly subscribe, share and comment to my aunt's YouTube channel. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
And she's also on TikTok and Instagram.
Oh, yeah. I'm also a TikToker, yeah. I have got my hoho, nyanya, kitunguu. Hii ni pilau masala. Not whole but ground. Halafu hii ni mchele. I've already washed it. I got my nyama here. Halafu this one is kitunguu saumu and ginger. And then this is dania and salt. So I just want to start cooking right away. This is my sufuria over here. It's heavy enough and big to accommodate my 1.5 kg of rice. So tuanze kupika. Pale kwa nyama. My meat is ready. So just want to fry our pilau. Looks yummy. Ayo, yani tosha. So that is my pilau. I'm done with it. I'm just waiting for it to be served so that we can enjoy. You see? So these are our foods here ready. You see the way my pilau is. This is my end result. This is my pilau, very yummy. The rice haijashikana. Yeah. So this is what we want to eat with my dogo and my niece. My dogo is already having his. He was so hungry he couldn't wait. So I'm gonna enjoy with my niece Juanita. Juanita, karibu. Take this one.
Hi guys.